Today we're going to be training arms, forearms and grip strength. This is going to be a really simple workout you can do just about anywhere in a very short amount of time. All you need is a pair of dumbbells, a band, your body weight, and that's about it. Let's get straight into it. So we're going to start with a cluster set for biceps using a basic dumbbell curl. So all you got to do is curl up for 8 reps to begin with, all the way up, control it down slow. Then we're going to take a short rest period, an incomplete rest period, and then we're going to go again for 6 reps. And then do another short rest period, and then go again for just 4 reps. I think that was 4 or 5 reps maybe. 6, 7, 8. All right, straight away, I'm gonna drop down to the floor, and we're gonna do a stretch for the wrist extensors back here on the back of the forearms. So what you wanna do, make a couple of fists, come onto the ground in front of your body here, bend the elbows, and push up into the ground, pushing your wrists hard into the ground like this, coming back down. And again, we're gonna do 8 reps here. This is gonna be an active rest period we're gonna do before we jump straight back in and do another set of the bicep curls. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Straight back in, this time 6 reps. So ideally you would have chosen a weight for the dumbbell curls that would have been comfortable for 8 reps, but you would have had maybe 2 or 3 reps left in the tank, which means now with that incomplete rest, you should be able to just get to 6 reps, which I think that was 6, maybe. It's hard to talk and count at the same time. Down on the ground again. On your fists, bend the elbows, push up hard. 6 reps here as well. Active rest period. Flex hard. So I'm really thinking here about pushing down hard into the ground here, into the back of my hands, to really stretch out the muscles in the back of my wrists, all the way up to the back of my forearms there into my elbows. One more time. Oh. All right, back to the curls. Last set here, 4 reps. So these cluster sets are a great way to increase the intensity and give you more effective reps in a short amount of time without having to take as long a time to do so many sets. Oh. Last one, 4 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, wrists are warm now, biceps are pumped, we're getting into some triceps now. For triceps, we're doing the bodyweight skull crusher, which is a surprisingly challenging exercise. I'm doing this here in this preacher bench, but you can do it up against the wall or work your way down towards the floor if you're really advanced. What we're gonna do here is sets of 8 reps, keeping your body locked in place here, bending the elbows right down to the hands, pressing straight up. If this is too easy for you, you can play with bringing your feet further backwards, getting a deeper stretch, pausing at the bottom, and lowering the hands down lower and lower, eventually working your way down towards the ground. 7, 8. All right. Between sets here, we're going to grab onto our broomstick, grab it quite down low, and work in reps of ulnar deviation. So all you need to do here is grab wherever your strength allows you to grab onto the broomstick, have it right by your side here, lock your arm in, raise that up, flexing right here through the side of your forearm, and lowering down slowly. Just 5 reps, then we're going to switch sides. 3, keep it as smooth and controlled as possible. Easy. You'd be surprised just how challenging this is to stabilize. This is one of those areas that doesn't really get trained much in traditional exercise. You see my left side here is going all over the place. This is my weaker side. Perfect. All right, moving on. All right, next up we have our broomstick again. Grab onto a similar place before. Keep the arm locked in to 90 degrees by your sides. I'm going to raise it up and coming straight across. So we're working both pronation and supination with this exercise. Just gonna do 5 to each side. So that's 2 to each side, 3. Again, this is one of those exercises where you're gonna be tempted to rush, but you wanna do your best to keep it as slow, smooth, and controlled as possible. You can make this more challenging by grabbing down lower, more towards the end of the broomstick. I think that was 5. Other side. Lock in, 90 degrees. Coming across and around. Really feel like there's edges there. You're gonna feel yourself wanting to just drop it down, keep it as smooth and controlled as possible. All right. Last exercise for today, we're going to be using the broomstick. We're going to be using a light weight plate and some way to attach that weight to the broomstick. I'm using a band, but you can use a rope or strap or anything you have available. All you need to do is find a way to secure that weight tightly to the broomstick. And then you're going to hold it up at arm's length. And for 30 seconds, we're going to wrap this up and back down as well. So winding up all the way and then slowly lowering back down as well. Doing this for time. This one is going to be seriously challenging. Winding back the other way. Oh. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so I can keep making more videos just like this for you guys. If there are any other body parts that you care about, just drop a comment to let me know. All right, and that's it. My forearms and arms are absolutely toasted. That was just one round, and as you guys saw, we took no break between any one of the exercises. What I recommend you do now is take about 2 or 3 minutes rest and do another round. I would aim for around 3 to 5 rounds if you're more intermediate to advanced, and if you're just starting out, honestly, 1 round, maybe 2 rounds is absolutely all you need. Finally, if you want to follow along with this workout or any one of my other workouts or full programs directly on my app, get the free trial of the Ganbaru Method using the description link below, and I'll see you guys next time.